Hi, my name is Jennifer. So today I'm going to be showing you how to draw, or well, kind of draw because shapes are technically part of drawing. So the first thing you are going to need is paper and a writing utensil. And if you want to get really fancy, you could use multiple colors, but I'm not. So the first thing you are going to be doing is first you are going to draw a circle, or a circle to the best of your abilities. Not a circle. Or you could also use like a bowl or something, just if you're really particular about how defined you want your circle. Next, you are going to be doing a semicircle at the bottom. And if you wanted to make it like a big old smile, just connect the two lines. Next, you will be doing two ovals that will be the eyes. And you could also do two darkened ovals inside. And if you want it to have chubby cheeks, you could do two side circles or on the sides. And that's how you draw